Tejaswi face to face. Not even 6 months are left for the Bihar Assembly election. In such a situation, Bihar has become the focal point of every party. Tomorrow, Telangana's AIMIM party chief Ashaduddin Owaisi is coming on a Bihar tour. Owaisi is counted among the big leaders of the Muslim community. Also, Owaisi attacks the central government sharply. He attacks the BJP strongly, but these days he is being praised a lot, and the people praising him are not the Muslim community but BJP supporters. The reason is that this time Owaisi has single-handedly given a tough fight to Pakistan. Pakistan has been given a tough fight that now Bilawal Bhutto, who was treating India, is standing on his heels and is now giving explanation. Owaisi has given a tough fight to Pakistan with India that now Pakistan will also remember Owaisi for the mess he has created. This is the reason why Ashaduddin Owaisi has become famous in India, and his speech given to Pakistan is going viral very fast on social media. Now he is coming on Bihar. Tomorrow he had achieved a historic victory in Simanchal in Bihar last assembly year. For the first time he had captured 5 seats, and I remember Owaisi had gathered a lot of headlines in Bihar. In the last election, Tejaswi Yadav became the hero, and in the case of the party, Owaisi became the hero. It means that it is a big thing that where is Tamil Nadu and where is Bihar? Tamil Nadu is Owaisi a strong area, but he come to Bihar and challenged Nitish Kumar's party of Bihar, Janata Dal United, Bharatiya Janata Party, Lalu Yadav's party, Rashtriya Janata Dal, because this is a party of Bihar and Owaisi is from Tamil Nadu. He won 5 seats Telangana ke. And Owaisi is from Telangana. He won 5 seats of Simanchal here, which is captured by Mahagathbandhan. So directly he gave a tough challenge to Rashtriya Janata Dal in Bihar. The my equation, that is Muslim and Yadav community vote bank, is also considered to be the RJD's legacy. In such a situation, Owaisi victory on 5 years was Owaisi victory on 5 seats was like a big blow to RJD. But later RJD also gave a shock to Owaisi and brought his 4 MLAs to its side. Since then, there has been a rift between Owaisi and RJD. First, let us tell you that Shahnawaz Alam became MLA from Jokihat. Bahadurganj and Kocha Dhaman seats were also bought by Owaisi to his side. Muhammad Anjan Naimi from Bahadurganj and Muhammad Ishar Asfi from Kocha Dhaman become MLA. Pranay and Baisi seats also went to AIMIM's account. Akhrul Iman become MLA from Pranay and Syed Ruknuddin Ahmed become MLA from Baisi. Pranay and Baisi Assembly come in Purnia district. Bahadurganj and Kocha Dhaman come in Kishanganj district. Jokihat comes in Araria district. 4 MLAs of Owaisi went to RJD party, due to which Owaisi has targeted Tejaswi without naming RJD and said that the people of Simanchal will teach a lesson to the one who stole our MLAs. At the same time, he has also claimed to win more seats this election. Last time he had fielded 90 candidates and won 5. 19 candidates and won 5 seats. This time he had announced a candidate even before the announcement of the election dates. In fact, he has declared Tausif Alam, who joined his party, as a candidate from Bahadurganj. Some workers who were angry with the party due to Tausif Alam joining the AIMIM party have said goodbye to the party. Tausif Alam has previously been a Congress MLA. Let us tell you that there are 5 districts in Simanchal of Bihar which are mainly considered Muslim-dominated areas. Pappu Yadav also has influence in Simanchal area, and he is also an MP from Purnia, Araria, Kishanganj, Katihar, Madhepura district come in Simanchal. In this election, Owaisi is once again expected to perform well in Bihar because the way he has responded to Pakistan has increased his popularity very fast in this time, in this period. Even those who do not know him are praising him. In such a situation, when he will field his candidates in Simanchal, he will obviously get full benefit of it.